Hello everyone, if you're new here, my name is Sophia Quinn. I'm your investor professor, and in the last video I just gave you 3 tips of my stock advice. Okay, go watch it because it ain't about to change. All right, it's just not about to change. But I'm going to talk about 3.2.5, which is diversification. Okay, so the intelligent investor said, recognize that investing intelligently is about controlling the controllable. Okay, let that sit. You cannot control the market. You cannot control a lot of things. You can't control how much taxes you pay. You can't control the price of goods. You can't control the stock market. You can't control the unemployment market. You can't control, there's a lot. I know y'all know there's a lot of stuff you can't control. But what you can control is your own stock portfolio. And that's what this course is about. Becoming an intelligent investor so you can manage your own money. Like I said before, you can pay somebody to do it and they will happily take a fee and they'll do it for you. But the beauty in you knowing how to do it yourself is knowledge that will forever be in your family and in your life. Okay, so let's talk about diversification. Diversification in your stock portfolio is the spread of investments across various assets, industries, and sectors in geographic regions. That's something we don't talk about enough, y'all, okay? We're here in the USA, but there are a lot of places around this world to invest in. And diversification is your ability to invest in multiple sectors, in multiple situations for your benefit, okay? This is not for Sophia's benefit. This is for your benefit, okay? So, different sectors like technology, healthcare, finance, consumer goods, right? Transportation, actual materials, right? There are different sectors that you can invest in. And honestly, it doesn't matter if you have $1 million or $10. Putting a little bit here and a little bit there is going to protect yourself when one goes down, okay? Because you can't control that. Now, next thing, various asset classes. This is what we talk about all the time when we do our three legs, one of them being stocks, one of them being bonds, and one of them being your cash investment. That's why you have these 3 legs, because if one go out, you still can weedly wobbly, okay? So across different asset classes, company sizes. This is something we don't talk about enough. Diversification, meaning you can put your money in the blue chips that we talked about before. You can put your money in the big 5, but let's not forget the little guys, right? There are small and medium cap companies that are going to grow that deserve a little change. And those ones can be your lifesavers. As a long-time investor, those ones are going to be the lifesavers. So don't leave out the small companies. And geographic diversity. This is my golden goose. You guys, I go to Africa every few years, and honestly, they have raw material. They have like gold in the ground, okay? Diamonds on the surface, sapphire. I mean, the raw materials. It is why Africa is the birth of the entire world, okay? It is the womb of the entire world. The minerals are out of this world. The agriculture, they grow avocados the size of my head and sell them to you for like 45 cents. But diversification geographically, that is definitely something we do not do enough. And that's my next learning curve, is understanding how to invest in geographic areas across this world, okay? Because we know America is American, but America is just one country out of hundreds more, and we are one limited resource place, and there is an entire global economy that we need to pay attention to. And lastly, of course, like we talked about, is different type of stock types. Different dividend stocks, value stocks, blue chip stocks. So I hope this helps. Diversification. Do not forget to diversify your portfolio. As you're buying your first stock, as you may be making your first investments, don't forget about diversifying. You never want to have, what the old saying, don't have all your eggs in one basket. Don't have all your eggs in one basket. It's not necessary, and it's not for your economic benefit. All right, I hope that helps. Feel free, follow me on YouTube, Investor Professor 25, Instagram, Investor Professor 25, and we are going live tomorrow. Woo!